Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my second video in the coronavirus series, and last week we talked about how bacteria differ from viruses. So now, since we know exactly what a virus is, we are going to jump right in and talk about the respiratory infection known as the coronavirus. So we're going to discuss how COVID-19 works throughout the body and how it differs from other viruses. So welcome to the science behind COVID-19, and let's get started. So before we get into it, I want to clear something up that may not be clear to you. The name of the virus itself is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. Yes, I memorized that. And the disease is COVID-19. So COVID-19 isn't the virus, it is the disease that is caused by this virus. First, we will start with its name. Why is it called the coronavirus? Well, under microscopic examination, the virions are surrounded by a corona, or a halo-like crown. This is caused by the presence of viral spike peplomers emerging from each envelope. Well, what exactly does this mean? It means that, like other coronaviruses, it can use its spikes to latch onto human cells. Its spikes actually bind to receptors on the human cell surface called angiotensin-converting enzyme 2, or ACE2. A good way to think about it is that the human body or the human cells are the house, COVID-19 is the dangerous robber, and ACE2 is the key. All the homeowners have the key, but there's certain viruses, like the coronaviruses, that have the key. These dangerous robbers use the key to have access to the house, just like virus uses ACE2 to have access to our cells. We then undergo a structural change which will help the viral envelopes, which is the outermost part of the virus, fuse to the cell membrane of the human cells. Once binded, the viral genes will then enter the cell, and like explained in my last video, they will take control and start to be copied. Before any of this happens, the virus must enter your system somehow. So this virus is spread through droplets from an infected person's breath, cough, or sneeze, getting onto your mouth, nose, or eyes. Now this will give the virus passage to your mucous membranes that are located in your throat. Now the virus will start to move down your respiratory tract, and actually this virus specifically tends to travel a bit lower because there's more ACE2 receptors located in your lower airway. And remember, ACE2 is the doorknob that allows the coronavirus to enter the cell. And then, once there, they start manipulating the host cell. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because next week I'll have the part 2 to this episode coming up. There I will talk about the structure of the virus and the symptoms and how you can avoid it. Please make sure to subscribe, and please comment all your questions. I will make sure I can answer all of them. Just like last time, I'll have all of my resources that I used to research for this video in the description, so I really encourage you to check those out. And that's all. Bye!